The TikTok creativity program is actually breaking the internet right now. Teenagers are making multiple five figures every month. There's no doubt it's the best money-making method at the moment. But wait, it's only available in the big countries, such as the US, France, or the UK, which means you can't really access it if you're outside those countries. However, I've got you covered. I will show you how to do it from anywhere in the world later in this video. That's why you should stay till the end. To get accepted into the program, you will need these requirements. So, in this video, I will show you how to actually make up to $10,000 per month only using couple AI tools. I will show you how to choose the niche and give you 8 different niches that you can choose from. I will even show you the entire step-by-step process to make one of these 8 video types. And in the end, I will show you a secret method to generate the same video in different languages with a single click using DubDub. All of that so you can take your TikTok page to the next level and generate as much money as possible in the shortest time possible. The first step is choosing a niche. I'm going to give you different key points to focus on to make sure you choose the right niche for you. The main goal of starting a TikTok page isn't just to enjoy it or have fun. Your focus has to be on making money. That's why you need to choose a profitable niche. The question is, how can you identify a high-income niche? To do that, you need a high RPM niche, such as finance. But that's not enough. You have to focus on a lot of different aspects, such as target audience demographics, age, and view potential. For example, gaming has a below-average RPM, but a lot of view potential, so you can make a lot of money regardless of the RPM. In the next step, I will be showing you how to make animation shorts completely using multiple AI tools. So if you still can't make content, make sure to keep watching. Now, these are 8 different niche ideas you can work on. All of them are good, but here you need to listen carefully. You will not get monetized anymore if you just put some Minecraft parkour video you got from YouTube under a podcast clip. TikTok is looking for original content. So, let's go generate 100% original animation videos. To do that, we will first generate the story and the voiceover using DubDub. After that, we will generate images, then animate them. Then, we will put everything together and edit it to look cool. Finally, we will translate it into different languages using the DubDub translation tool. First, click on the DubDub link down in the description. After that, choose the AI writing tool. Then, click on Ask AI to Write, and ask it to generate an imaginary short story in 1 paragraph. After that, hit Enter. Now, I will ask it to make it shorter so the tutorial is easy for this video, but for you, you need it to be at least 1 minute long. After that, ask the AI to generate 5 different image prompts that you can use in Leonardo to make the images. Now go back to the DubDub homepage and select the AI voiceover tool. Then, paste the story we generated earlier and click on this icon to hear the voice.
In the magical kingdom of Disney, a mischievous pixie named Tinkerbell loved spreading joy and laughter. While exploring the enchanted forest, she discovered a treasure chest filled with sparkling gems. Accidentally releasing a mischievous imp named Sprinkle, Tinkerbell knew she had to stop him from causing chaos. With the support of her loyal friends like Mickey Mouse and Cinderella, Tinkerbell embarked on an epic adventure to restore peace, teaching the value of friendship and forgiveness.
Now, click on Export. Choose the MP3 format and click Export. Now that we have the voiceover, we are going to generate the images. Go to Leonardo AI, then choose the image generation. After that, select 2 for the number of images, then set the aspect ratio to 9:16. After that, select the 3D animation style. Then, copy and paste the prompts we got from DubDub and click Generate. And that's it. You get images related to the story. Then do the same for the rest of the prompts. These are 6 images I got. Now that we have the images, we need to animate them. To do that, we are going to use Runway. Go to this website, then select Start with Image. After that, choose one of the images we generated. Then click on Generate. You will get results like this. You can also extend its duration by clicking on Extend. When ready, click on this download icon, then do the same for the other pictures. Now that everything is ready, we're going to put them all together. We are going to use DupDub's editing tool. First, click on Upload and select everything we generated, alongside some chill, non-copyrighted music. After that, drag and drop the voiceover into the timeline. Then do the same for the music. Cut the music so it aligns perfectly with the voiceover. Next, let's start by adding the first animation video. Drag and drop it. Then select the 9:16 aspect ratio. Next, double-click on the video and resize it to fit the entire screen. Then, drag and drop all the other videos and resize all of them to fit the screen. After that, go to Effects. Then click on Lights and Shadow. Then, drag and drop some effects to make the video look better. Next, let's add transitions. Click here, then select the 2D option. And use any transitions you like, as shown in the video. After you're done, click on Export. Then choose these settings and click Export. Let's watch the video.
In the magical kingdom of Disney, a mischievous pixie named Tinkerbell loved spreading joy and laughter. While exploring the enchanted forest, she discovered a treasure chest filled with sparkling gems, accidentally releasing a mischievous imp named Sprinkle. Tinkerbell knew she had to stop him from causing chaos. With the support of her loyal friends like Mickey Mouse and Cinderella, Tinkerbell embarked on an epic adventure to restore peace, teaching the value of friendship and forgiveness.
Now that the video is ready, let's translate it to a different language. We will use DupDub's video translation tool. You can either upload a video or use a YouTube or TikTok link. After the video is uploaded, select English as the original language. Then select the language you want to translate it to. I will select German, as Germany is the second highest RPM country after the US. Then, turn the subtitle remover on if you have subtitles in your video, and click on Translate. Let's watch it.
Im magischen Königreich von Disney liebte die schelmische Elfe namens Tinkerbell es, Freude und Gelächter zu verbreiten, während sie den verzauberten Wald erkundete. Sie entdeckte eine Schatztruhe voller funkelnder Edelsteine und befreite versehentlich einen schelmischen Kobold namens Sprinkle. Tinkerbell wusste, dass sie ihn aufhalten musste, um Chaos zu verhindern. Mit der Unterstützung ihrer treuen Freunde wie Mickey Mouse und Cinderella begab sich Tinkerbell auf ein episches Abenteuer, um Frieden wiederherzustellen und den Wert von Freundschaft und Vergebung.
Alright, now let me tell you how you can get a USA account if you're outside the United States. I've heard people talk about a lot of different methods, but in my opinion, the safest and easiest one is just buying an account. It won't cost you that much. Now, you might be asking, where can I find these accounts? If I can get my hands on some accounts, you're going to find a link to my store down in the description. If not, I recommend you find someone from the US to make an account for you. That was it for this video. Make sure to check DubDub from the link in the description and click the subscribe button for more videos